What button? Where's that button? I gotta do it. Help me! 30 degrees.
What all's done to it?
Built 2-liter, 272s, E85, HX35 turbo, 25 pounds of boost.
Whew. Nice.
Still running the stock timing though, so just run on SASC right now, keep the fuel dialed in.
Gotcha. Looks good. Because race car. Carrying E85. Bald eagles just fly away. Fast 102 intake. What else you got done?
The water throttle body, the cam, the 234, long tubes, semi-coated callus X pipe, tune, and all supporting mods.
That's nice. Looks good.
That's pretty.
Ooh, give me a lowdown on this. Obviously it's a Whipple. 2.3?
Yep, 2.3 Whipple, 3.5 inch pulley, Gen 2 cold air intake, full exhaust, 410 gears.
Ooh, damn. Nice. 03, right?
Yep.
03 Terminator. Ready?
1, 2, 3!